So how do you automatically pick up calls on your iPhone? And let's get started. Luckily, there is a feature which does exactly that. It is part of the built-in settings. So just open up the main settings app and you want to find the accessibility section. So it is right there. And then what you want to do is basically go to the touch section. It is indicated by a pointing or like a finger icon on a blue background, so you can get it there. And part of the touch section entirely at the bottom, we have call audio routing. So you can click that, and then we have the auto answer calls. So this is the feature which we are interested in. You can enable it, and then a little timing option will appear. So basically, when this option is turned on, it means that you don't have to swipe to answer your incoming calls. It will be done automatically, which we wanted to achieve, right? But we also get to decide after the duration of time of ringing when it's supposed to happen, right? So when 15 seconds pass, while the call is like ringing, then the phone call gets picked up automatically. You can adjust the interval. You can make it as short as 3 seconds, but bump it up to a lot more, even like 20 or more seconds. So up to you to decide which option works the best for you, but this is where you can manage it. So let me know below in the comments if it worked for you or if you managed to find it. I really like to know. Thanks a lot for watching, and let me know if there are any additional questions. So stay tuned and I'll catch you later in the future tutorials.